Okay, good morning, everyone. This is Zach here. Again, a quick disclaimer before we start our section. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks, okay, based on our discussion this morning over here, make sure your own trading plan. Okay, if not, get advice from the professional. Okay, so if you are here with me, appreciate you can type a one for me to ensure my sound and screen is working. Okay, let's see. Okay, to ensure my sound screen is okay, and of course help me to click like buttons and help me to share this out as well. Okay, so all right, well, markets remains to be same. Okay, but at least some content is moving lah. At least we got something to monitor to look at. Unique, I think the movement is fantastic yesterday, moving around 5%. But today decided to do a little bit of pullback. Okay, so I will see whether later on I will still hold or not. Okay, but actually I tried to exit partially. Okay, but looks like no chance today because it's actually pulling back from the so-called the resistance level at this moment here. All right. So okay, let's say from my list over here. Okay, probably we start with FBM KLCI. Then we look into the overall so-called the sector. Plantation is still also start to pull back already. Okay, like I said, I was waiting for a pullback before I want to look for the entry. Okay, I was looking to Jatiasa yesterday. Actually, morning section I about to enter already, but in the end I decided to probably wait for a while because I think after lunchtime the volume keep increasing already. So this is where maybe sometimes the pullback most likely yet to complete. So sometimes you have to be careful on the parts. Okay, so yeah, this is the overall FBM KLCI. Yesterday we have a small hammer candle forming. All right. And then subsequently, today not to say reverse, I can say this is not reverse yet. It's a gap up with down bar. So we have to wait until probably later when you can tell whether it will hold or not. But at this moment, I can say that the trend is not that best. Okay. Again, everything that I do right now, I just remain short term. Okay, for trading purpose. Okay, if let's say there's the trades, few things like let's say the RR, okay, the risk to reward ratio, okay, it's not that great, then normally I'll just avoid. Okay, I wait for the sub that I wanted to enter. Okay, sometimes I miss. Okay, sometimes I miss certain trade. Like for example, last week I missed the plantation movement. Okay, but if I chase and enter, probably I'll be trapped right now. Okay, because mostly they are actually doing a pullback right now. Okay, so this is some things that the overall market direction definitely is not that fantastic right now. So let's look into the other sectors. Okay, at least some turns to green today. Yesterday's damn super red in the early morning sections. Okay, but at least today, yes, we got some green coming up. Probably we'll see some inverse pullback forming at this moment. Property, okay, so going back, maybe you hit back to the 20-40 day moving average. So if let's say you want to look for some short-term opportunities, probably is something that worth to look into. Okay, so plantation, you notice that they are super trending. Okay, for the past couple of weeks already. Yes, yesterday is a huge down bar. I can say that. Okay, so I actually expect them to pull back lower. So that's why one of the reasons why I miss plantation, but I don't want to chase it because of I'm afraid this thing will happen, which is currently they are happening right now. Okay, so plantation I think still will pull back slightly. Okay, we wait for certain strengths to form. Okay, at support level before we want to look for the opportunity to enter again. Okay, for plantations. Okay, now technology rebounded a little bit. Okay, like I say, 60 level over here looks good. Okay, actually looks good. Building some support already. We got 3 candles, 3 to 4 candles including today. Kind of like keep zigzag into this area, but it's only 4 days. But I expect them to move another few days to 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, time. So let's say they are still around the 60 level. I think this would be a great area, okay, to focus. So that's why, even though yes, the other day DNO is a bit disappointing, exited already, but I still monitoring others that maybe have a chance soon. Okay, so probably later on we go into some tech counters. I do see for my alerts over here, I do see Penta, CloudPoint is coming up already. CEB also coming up. Okay, so yeah, we're going to watch that later on. Okay, so constructions. Property construction is a bit similar, but I think overall construction's chart is more powerful compared to property. Okay, so probably yeah, I think currently it's still hitting the 20 MA. Maybe after hit will rebound a bit again. So, okay, it looks very good as long as for me they are above this so-called the gap area. Okay, the gap zone. Okay, I think is still fine. Okay, finance. Okay, finance also weakening already. I can see the trend. It's a bit weakening. It's a technical rebound, but if let's say kind of cross 2040, maybe they will do inverse pullback also. All right. So again, if you are here with me, appreciate if you can tap a one for me and help me to share this out, click the like buttons for me. Okay, so we can have more viewer for this so-called live Facebook section. Okay, consumer don't like it. Okay, this one definitely no, break already yesterday. The S1 no for me. Healthcare. Okay, healthcare. Okay, I still holding a bit of dog glove. Okay, so hopefully, yeah, they will move soon. Okay, so this is the overall KLCI performance and the so-called sectors what they are doing right now. Okay, so again, Plantation pulling back. Tech looks like holding at 60 level already, which is a support level. Okay, something that probably I would look into again. Okay, for some of the tech counters. Okay, healthcare, especially for glove, also looks like they are building certain supports. Okay, at this moment over here. Now, property construction I rarely follow actually because previously too hot already lah. Okay, so yes, short term okay lah, but if you are trying to go for the main trends, right, maybe you need to wait for another few more months. Okay, so okay, now let's look into, if you got any stock, you just let me know. I just probably go through some of the stocks that we do top on Telegram. Some of them that I'm still holding. If you're following, probably you can check out over here. Now, MSM. Okay, let's put back my SNR. My support resistance. Okay, so you can notice here a very clear one. Okay, there will be here actually is the area of so-called support area. Okay, main support area is being somewhere around here. Of course, here will be the main resistance. Okay, so for me, actually nothing much to comment further on MSM because they're just sideways. Okay, they are doing some reversal from here, this area over here. Okay, tested. Now seems like also doing some testing around this level. How much is this price? This is 1.25, 1.26 area. Okay, so they are actually in this area over here to do a little bit of so-called testing on the support. Okay, so which I think currently still okay, right? So for those that who have access to XIFU apps, if you're using XIFU apps, okay, you can actually use this strength candle. Okay, this is the strength candle. Okay, so as long as they are above here, I think I will continue to hold. Nothing much to worry. Okay, sometimes like that because of market condition, certain stock they have to wait. Okay, for their turns to make a little movement. Okay, I do see Hata coming already. Okay, let's check my token. Okay, Hata actually appeared in my pullback alerts. Okay, so let's try top glove. Okay, of course, currently the Taiko is Hata. Okay, so hopefully the Taiko move, the rest will follow as well. Okay, okay, still the same, but yesterday is low volume now, which is nice. Okay, so if I think they forming another round of COC, I think would be good. Okay, so for example, COC is like that. Okay, low volume candles with narrow spread candle. Okay, so sometimes COC can happen over 3 bars, sometimes can take 1 week plus. In this example here, I think it's easily more than a week. So hopefully here also, we'll see something very, very similar before they try to make another movement. Okay, but this is a very so-called one of the main resistance they need to try to cross. Okay, for top left. So okay, now let's try Hata because I do see Hata looks like got some movement, but maybe not too much. So here, okay, actually the chart pattern wise Hata is nicer compared to top left. So here, yes, actually the volume is pretty good as well. Okay, slowly climbing. Okay, probably later on around 3-4 p.m. we come back to look into that again. Okay, so there's one unique. I think just now I already review as well for unique. Okay, yesterday exactly at R1. Okay, I was expecting them to break but didn't. Okay, now at R1 again. Okay, maybe I take some partial profit because actually my entry quite low. My entry is around 375. My second entry, okay, 375. So yesterday got around 5%. I think I'm quite based on market condition, I think okay lah. Okay, I can really take some partial profits from here. Okay, so this is unique. Hopefully today they can break from this R1. Okay, so all right, this is unique. Any other counters that I miss out? Okay, Solar West. Okay, DNO exit already, but I later on we come back again to check on DNO, see whether is there any chance or not. Okay, Solar West yesterday closing is not that nice, but volume is there. So for me, as long as this today candle or subsequent candle, they are holding well. Okay, above the yesterday candle, I think still good. Okay, but in fact, right now I think it's still good. Okay, but just that, yeah, have to wait already okay, because they pull back to 20 MA. So normally pull back to 20 MA is 1-2 weeks time. Okay, 1-2 weeks time. Especially right now, market is not that bullish at this moment. Okay, so all right, if you got any questions, just type it over there. Okay, probably you can take a look and check. KGB, okay, KGB. Yesterday a strong movement, but today also this morning I checked it's a bit of down bar there. All right, maybe it's a good chance. Okay, as long as for me today down bar low volume, I think it's good. Okay, today down bar low volume, I think it's good. So if you ask me, maybe somewhere around this area, low risk opportunity because sometimes I'm looking into risk to reward ratio as well. So here previously we got some gap up, gap down. Okay, here one test. Okay, probably somewhere around this area will provide you a ideal so-called low risk opportunity if you want to. Okay, I assuming you're looking for entry If exit wise, I think okay. Let's try the main resistance because you said this one break already. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, 3.67. Okay, probably is the area that you want to watch out for your so-called the next resistance. Okay, support-wise, I think here 3.25 will be a good area to watch out for potential support. Okay, so of course, sell-wise, I think it's good. Yesterday volume is high. Today drop is fine, but volume have to be low. Okay, Sunrider keep coming back. Previously trade Sunrider but didn't jalan. But it dropped badly. Okay, luckily I avoided. But now seems like making a strong comeback. Actually, I'm waiting for them to do a deeper pullback. But tak ada. Okay, never mind. So right now also I focus a bit of tech and plantation. Okay, now let's do into plantation first. Okay, because I think plantation still got chance, just that after this right, you have to do a deeper pullback. Okay, today Jatiasa at 40 MA. Okay, again, not going to rush myself. Let's see what happens after a few days. Okay, so looks like they are trying to support around the 40 MA. Okay, but still early to tell currently around because currently only around 10 p.m. Okay, now TSH and stocks that I'm actually watching as well. Okay, the pullback lower. So actually I was expecting to pull back somewhere around this area here. I think would be nice. Okay, around 1 ringgit and 10 cents. Now it's how much? Now it's 1 ringgit and 80 cents. Okay, so still got some rooms to go. Okay, for the pullback. Okay, actually among all TSH is quite nice. Okay, because they actually don't have some sort like a selling at resistance. Okay, the rest actually gone. Okay, because maybe the rest already started to move already. Okay, but the pullback also very very healthy compared to JTASA. Okay, let's try TH Blunt. Okay, TH Blunt also shooting star high, volume drop, widespread candle. Okay, maybe wait for them around the 20 MA. Okay, the other one is the Tyco JPG. JPG also okay. Okay, this one I have to watch out. Yesterday volume quite high. Okay, let's go into some of the so-called pullback trades that we have. Okay, maybe I will check from XIFU alert first, then before we go into this list. All right, so sometimes I can find some good trades from there. Okay, I think Unique also actually appear from here also. That's why I go back to Unique. Okay, Bar West coming back. Perdana, okay, we got Dayan. This morning also got not much. This morning I think only got 3. So we got Dayan, Perdana, and Bar West. Okay, so far doing a hammer. Okay, but let them close first. Okay, if let's say hammer, I think it's still okay. All right, let's try Perdana. Okay, trying to do reversal, but the setup is not so solid yet. Okay, so let's look into Dayang. There also, nothing much actually. Okay, this morning nothing much, but probably we'll wait later around after lunch and sometimes you can see some setup is better. Okay, Hub Sing signature, but signature up a lot. Is it continuing to up today? Okay, it's up a lot really. Okay, continue up further. Okay, so never mind. Okay, let's try some of our stock ideas from here. Suncon. Volume is a bit low. Wong, okay, Wong's coming. Okay, Wong is liquid amount. Wong sudah illiquid. Previously quite active traded one. Okay, CEB I think okay for short term. Okay, today cross R1 with some pullback. Okay, Notion also. Okay, this morning I posted about Notion. Okay, so this is also like a pullback. Okay, forming near towards the support right now. Okay, so maybe hopefully they cross R1, they have a chance to cross to R2 because this one is like a short-term opportunity. I bit semi unique also. Okay, but this is coming from a bottom high volume. Okay, for short-term opportunity, I think it's okay. All right, so let's say there's no questions from our audience probably today. We will end our section this morning over here. Hopefully you like my section here. If you like my sections, help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out. Again, join our Telegram group chat for more daily discussions. Okay. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.